Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn the key concept of Salesforce CPQ. CPQ stands for Configure, Price and Quote. Salesforce CPQ is a powerful tool designed to help sales team to generate accurate quotes, automate pricing and configure products efficiently. So in this video, I'll give you a walkthrough uh, what are the core features available in Salesforce CPQ and the workflow, and also I will guide you what are the key components available in Salesforce CPQ, and I will also guide you on the advanced Salesforce CPQ features and the CPQ data model overview and CPQ best practices. And I will also, give you some common Salesforce CPQ interview question, so you can explore those questions for your upcoming interview. So let's go and get started with the video. So here are the Salesforce CPQ features and workflow. Salesforce CPQ basically helps sales team with the product configuration. So with the help of CPQ, we can select the right products for the customers. And with the pricing and discount, we can automate pricing calculation and discounts. And we can generate detailed code and accurate codes quickly to the for the customers. And we can also customize or configure approvals and enables in Salesforce CPQ to automate approval processes and contract renewals. And here is the typical CPQ workflow. So it starts with configuring products, then we apply pricing and discounts, then we generate code, and then we send the code to the for the approval, and we finalize and close the deal once it is approved. So here are the key components of Salesforce CPQ. So as we discussed, it starts with the product configuration. So CPQ enables sales team to configure complex product bundles through product rules. So product rules basically controls which products can be added together, and we can also group related bundles, group related products through bundles, and there is an optional and required products, so we can define if certain product must or can be added to the bundle. So pricing mechanism, Salesforce CPQ offers multiple pricing models like list price, that is the base price of a product. Cost plus markup adds a markup to the cost price. Block pricing charges a fixed amount for a range of quantities. Slab pricing, different pricing levels for different quantity ranges. Subscription pricing used for recurring services monthly or yearly. Contracted pricing, special pricing for specific accounts. Uh, CPQ also for discounting and approval, so we can customize advanced approval through CPQ. So it offers discounts schedules, so or we can automate discounts based on the quantity or volume. And price rules, we can automate price adjustment based on conditions. And approval workflows, so that requires a management approval for a high discount. So with the help of CPQ, we can do the advanced approval. We can configure advanced approval basically. And code generation. So CPQ helps in generating, standardized code and professional codes. So with the help of code generation, we can basically customize code field based on customer needs, and we can also integrate with DocuSign and Adobe Sign for e-signature. And contracts and renewals, so amendments and renewals, so we can automate renewal pricing and contract update. And and also it support asset based ordering, and we can basically add on and upgrade for existing purchases. So let's understand what are the advanced CPQ features. So there is product rules, so that offers validation and automation. So with the help of product rules, we can build selection tools, so that helps and prevent users from selecting invalid combination. while creating the bundles, right? Alert rules notify users of required selection, right? Filter rules auto filter products based on customer needs. Guided selling. So this helps sales rep by asking guided questions to filter products and pricing, and this improves sales accuracy and speeds up the quoting process. CPQ integration. So, with the help of CPQ, we can integrate with the billing system that connects with Salesforce billing for automated invoices. We can also integrate with ERP system like SAP, Oracle, NetSuite, and CPQ also works with the Salesforce B2B commerce. So we can integrate CPQ with e-commerce application as well. And CPQ data model overview. So let's understand the data model. So so it starts with the product. Product defines the sellable item, and price book stores pricing information. Quote is the primary object that stores details of an offer to a customer. Quote line item is individual items within a quote, and contract stores customer agreement details. And order is created when a quote is accepted by the customer. So here are the CPQ best practices. So with the help of CPQ, we can optimize product rules. So, but when we are configuring product rules, we have to avoid too many dependency. Otherwise, it will slow down the performance. So, to reduce the hard coding in pricing in product, we have to, follow these practices. We can look up queries instead of hard coding the pricing in product rules. And so automate renewals, we can leverage CPQ for auto renewing contracts, and use approval rules wisely. So we need to balance flexibility with the control. So wherever it is required, don't only use approval rules. So as a best practice, we have to train sales team to ensure proper usage of product configuration and pricing tool, because if they do over configuration, product configuration and pricing tool without any communication among the team members, it could confuse the team members, and it will add more liability for the team members. And here are the common CPQ interview question I have quoted in this video. So you can, search for the answers by yourself, and you can answer these questions with your knowledge that you have gained in while learning the Salesforce CPQ. And let me know if you are unable to figure out what are the right answers for these questions. So I'll just read out the questions for you. How does CPQ differs from standard Salesforce quoting? So that is very important question, and most of the time it is being asked from the interviewer in the Salesforce CPQ interview. Explain the different pricing models available in CPQ. So that is again very important question. What are the types of product rules in CPQ? How does guided selling work in CPQ? What is the difference between block pricing and slab pricing? How does CPQ handles contract renewals? Explain asset-based ordering in CPQ. What are discount schedules and price rules in CPQ? How can CPQ integrate with billing and ERP system? So let me know if you are unable to uh, get the right answers for these questions. I'll be happy to help you out with my sample answers that you can use in the interview. So let me know with your comments. I'll be happy to help you out. And stay connected with my channel. I'll catch you up in my next video. Thank you.